Welcome to this video. Today, we're exploring Houzez, the most powerful real estate WordPress theme designed for real estate agents, brokers, agencies, and property listing websites. If you want to build a professional real estate website with advanced property management features, Houzez is one of the best solutions available. What is Houzez? 030 to 120. Houzez is a premium real estate-focused WordPress theme that helps you create modern property listing websites with ease. It includes advanced search filters, property submission systems, Google Maps integration, agent profiles, and full WooCommerce compatibility. Whether you're managing rentals, sales, or real estate marketplaces, Houzez gives you complete control. Who should use Houzez? 1:20 to 2 o'clock. Houzez is perfect for real estate agents and brokers, property management companies, real estate agencies, rental and booking websites, property listing marketplaces. It's suitable for both beginners and professional developers. Key features: 2 to 340. Houzez comes packed with powerful features, including advanced property search with filters, custom property listing layouts, front-end property submission, agent and agency profile management, Google Maps and location-based search, mortgage calculator and price filters, Elementor and WP Bakery page builder support, one-click demo import, fully responsive and mobile-friendly design, SEO-optimized and fast-loading performance. These features make Houzez one of the most complete real estate themes on the market. Design and customization, 340 to 440. Houzez offers a modern and clean design that builds trust with visitors. Using Elementor drag-and-drop page builder, you can easily customize pages, colors, fonts, and layouts without writing any code. The theme also includes multiple homepage designs, property templates, and header styles to match your brand identity. Performance and SEO, 440 to 520. Houzez is built with performance and SEO in mind. It loads fast,